Welcome to the Rancho Southeast Realtors video library series. Today's video is an MLS tip of the month on how to properly schedule an open house on the Matrix system. So the first thing that we want to do in order to be able to add an open house is log into the MLS system. Now we're going to move our mouse to where it says Add Edit to bring up our listing. Now we're going to select our listing that we wish to have added to an open house. From here, after we select our listing, instead of choosing residential details, we're going to scroll right on down to where it says open house. When we click on open house, we can now schedule our property for an open house. To properly schedule an open house, fill in the required fields. First, select or input the date of the open house by simply clicking in the box and either typing in the date of the tour or next to the box, click on the calendar and select the date of the tour. With the date selected, now input your start and end times of the tour. Now with the start and end times inputted in, now indicate whether the open house will be attended by either the agent, by the seller, or the open house will not be attended by anyone. Now select the type of open house. You will have several choices to choose from. You have a broker's open house. A broker's open house, or commonly referred to as a broker preview, this open house is open to real estate agents and brokers only. Typically, broker open houses are held on certain days of the week and at certain times, depending on the city that the listing is located in. A public open house can be held on any date at any time and is open to anyone to come and view the property. An office open house is a caravan-style open house that is available to allow the listing agent to hold an open house specifically to agents associated to the listing agent's office and or company. In 2020, two new types of open houses were made available. Because of COVID, where access to a property was limited, CRMLS made available the virtual open house. A virtual open house is where a listing agent would like to have an open house, whether it was a broker or public, virtually, using a virtual style meeting platform such as Zoom, Facebook Live events, Instagram Live events, etc. It is important to note that if an agent wishes to do a virtual open house, the agent must input the registration link or event link into the virtual open house URL. This is not a place, however, for a recorded video link or a 3D tour link. With the information selected, now you may scroll down and click Submit. Once you hit Submit, you have now officially scheduled your open house. It is important to remember that in some instances, you might need to schedule multiple open houses for the same dates and times to accommodate the different open house types you wish to host on that day. Thank you for watching today's video on how to properly schedule an open house in the CRMLS Matrix system. For more information or videos, please visit our website at www.ranchosoutheast.com. Have a great day.